Hello everyone, we are going to do this question. The lines x minus 2 upon 1 is equal to y minus 3 upon 1 is equal to 4 minus z upon k, and x minus 1 upon k is equal to y minus 4 upon 2 is equal to z minus 5 upon minus 2 are mutually perpendicular if the value of k is, options are a minus 2 by 3, b 2 by 3, c minus 2, and d 2. So as we know that if the two lines are mutually perpendicular to each other, the formula will be a1, just a second, yes, a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is equal to 0. Just a second. 0. So as we can see that a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to k, b1 is equal to 1, and b2 is equal to 2. Now c1 is equal to c2, sorry, I will turn it around that, just a second, yeah, c1 is equal to k, and c2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, now if we multiply a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2, we will get, now I'm going to change the slide where you can see the multiplication of a1 a2 and b1 b2 and c1 c2. As you can see that a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to c, and a1 is 1, a2 is k, b1 is 1, b2 is 2, c1 is minus k, and c2 is minus 2. Now if we're going to multiply all of them, we will get 3k plus 2 is equal to 0, which is equal to minus 2 by 3. So the correct answer is this.